In this lesson we're going to look at what's called the section formula. Now here it says the section formula can be used to divide a line in a given ratio. So if we've got a line in a coordinate grid and we're wanting to find the midpoint, that's easy enough. You add the x coordinates in half them, add the y coordinates in half them. But if the point is not exactly halfway, then we need a way to find out what that coordinate is. And this is a way to do it. We can use vectors to do this. So let's look at this example. A is the point 5, 8. You can see it in the diagram here. I just put a guitar in. You don't need a guitar here. It could just be a line, but I like guitars and so I used it. Anyway, so A is the point 5, 8 and B is the point 14, 35. We've got to find the coordinates of P that divides that line in the ratio 5 to 4. So I would always advise you to do a wee quick rough sketch of this if one's not given. Make sure you sketch it out and put the ratio in. Also try and put the coordinates the right way around. It really helps this. Okay, so there's 3 steps to this problem. The first thing you should do is calculate the journey from A to B. That's the first step. Get the journey from A to B in terms of a vector. So from our position vectors we should know that AB is equal to B minus A, where B and A are just the coordinates. So AB is equal to B minus A. In this case 14, 35, and you're subtracting 5, 8. So 14 take away 5 is 9 and 35 take away 8 is 27. So we've got 9, 27 there. That's what that vector would be to get from here to here. Now, we want the coordinates of P. So really what we're trying to do here is find out what the journey from A to P is. Now in terms of the whole line, this dot is 5/9 of the way along. The mistake people make is they say it's 5/4, but the whole distance of the line is 9 and that's 5 along out of the 9. So P is 5/9 of the whole journey. Now we've just worked out the whole journey is 927. So we can say that AP is 5/9 of this. So to get 5/9 of 927, you take 5/9 of 9, so divide 9 by 9 and times it by 5. That's going to be 5. And then 27 divided by 9 is 3, times by 5 is 15, so 5/15. So from A to P is 5/15. Now the last step is we need to work out what the coordinates of P are. And similar to this first bit, we should know that AP is equal to P minus A. Now if we just do a wee bit of rearranging, we can work out what P is. P is a coordinate, A is also a coordinate, and we know what the vector AP is. We've worked that out here. Right, so P equals, now you add the A over here, so it's going to be AP plus A, just a bit of rearranging, add that over and swap this out if you like. We know that AP is 5/15, and we know that A is the same as the coordinate, it's 5, 8. So we want to add on 5, 8. So 5 and 5 makes 10, and 15 and 8 makes 23. So we can say that P is 1023, so it's got a coordinate of 1023. Make sure you write it like this. If you don't, you lose a mark because it asks for the coordinates, not the vector. And if you like a bit of Jimi Hendrix, I'll leave the start of Voodoo Child to play it.